We're talking about BinaxNOW, which is your rapid antigen testing kit for COVID-19. It's got the approval of the United States Food and Drug Administration. And with that, you're looking at pretty much a very small and portable testing kit, which is much like a pregnancy test. It works like that. Of course, it is something, the technology that we're talking about is the kind that you use to test for the flu and other infections. But it comes in the size of a credit card. A patient's nasal sample, a swab is taken, but it's less invasive than what the labs do. And of course, this card, a colored line is going to show whether you're positive for COVID-19 or not. Each test costs $5 each, and we're talking about a span of 15 minutes. That's going to help you put out those results. So because it's so easy to use, whether it's in clinics or schools and colleges or workplaces, it's going to be that much easier for the United States, which is of course in unlock mode, even as their number of infections really is more than any other part of the world. You're talking about 5 million and above. So yes, this is going to come in very handy. It could be a game changer, as it were. And Abbott is claiming that the margin of error is very low. It's about 97%, a little above that as well. Experts, though, on their part are saying that these tests, yes, they are cheaper, they are faster as well, but not as reliable as what a lab test is going to give out. And because Abbott is also linking it to an app, so yes, you're going to have a digital health pass as long as you are not positive for COVID-19. So you can use it like an Arogya Setu app. It's just that it's not a government app. But meanwhile, what about India? India started with those Chinese kits. Those were found faulty and the government had to cancel licenses. But ever since then, we've gone the gold standard way, which is the RT-PCR method. That takes longer, about 4 to 8 hours to get results, and they're fairly more expensive as well. But now, of course, there have been those faster tests, those rapid antigen detection tests that are available. But again, those that have been in use labs to give you the results, and they are given to you in 15 to 30 minutes. But meanwhile, now we have a real rapid antigen test, and approval has come for it from the Indian Council of Medical Research. This is developed by a Delhi-based firm. It's called Oscar Medicare. And the way it works is it's like a pinprick, the way that a glucometer is used, much the same way. It's your indigenous point of contact rapid test kit, like it's being called, and it's considered the first one of its kind. The company claiming to provide results in 20 minutes, and it would cost around 200 rupees a test. Already there are various kinds that are available in the market. There are online, but they're not very credible. They don't have the approval of the ICMR as well. But besides this, India and Israel together are collaborating on finding these innovative test kits as well. Testing has begun on the 28th of July in 4 hospitals in New Delhi. And among those, you're looking at 2 saliva tests that are currently underway. That is, again, something that's going to work like a pregnancy test. But also there is a breathalyzer test that is underway, and that could be more innovative than anything that we've seen out in the market so far. But all of this is still in research and development. What we're talking about, the India-Israel collaboration. But for the moment, it's BinaxNOW, which is in the market.